Welcome back to my channel. So I have been doing some arrangements and I have quite a few bits and pieces of cuts left over, and I just thought with this little guy here, maybe I can come up with an arrangement. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. As you would know, if you have been following me, my learning process or my journey, you know that I'm new, and even in my learning, I haven't quite thought that this kind of thing would be the first item to put in an arrangement. I would have thought it's something you use to beef it up and give some character. But I think I want to try and see what it would look like if I make it the centerpiece. So it's going in. So that's what I've got. And I'm going to try and tuck in every other thing I have around it. And I'll show you what it looks like. So I've got one cut left each of my Astro Maria, which I have been using in earlier arrangements. So I've just put both of them there. Of course, I had to adjust the height because the vase is quite short. It's just about, I think, about 15 centimeters in height. So there you go. Those are in, and that is what I have at the moment. So I have a lot of carnations, some that have opened up and some that are just about to open up, and different colors, pink and yellow or yellowish orange. So I've just tucked them around the arrangement, and I'm hoping that they will open up very soon and just add to the color. But this is forming like a shape, which although I didn't intend, I can see it and I'm happy with the arrangement. Nice one to put on my reading table and just admire them, admire it as the carnation gradually opens up. I also found these little items which I think would go nicely around the base, and I'll put them in and let you see what it looks like. So that's my final outcome, and it just reminds me of a video I made in the earlier days, not so long ago. Yes, it's one of my very first ones where I was trying to salvage old cuts from previous arrangement that was still looking good, and I titled that video Nothing Wasted or something like that. I'm going to link it to this so you can have a look at it, but I'm happy with the outcome. So this is my final outcome, and could I have some comments about my process or the outcome, or maybe the materials I use? And I would appreciate that very much. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button so you can receive an alert when a new video has been released. Until next time, I say to you, goodbye and God bless.